Module 13. Mobile Device Forensics. Welcome to this tutorial on mobile device forensics. In today's digital age, mobile devices have become an integral part of our lives, making them valuable sources of evidence in forensic investigations. In this video, we will explore the fundamentals of mobile device forensics, including understanding mobile device architecture for iOS and Android, extracting data from mobile devices, and analyzing mobile device artifacts. Let's start by understanding the architecture of mobile devices. Mobile device architecture varies between operating systems, with the two major platforms being iOS and Android. Understanding the architecture is crucial for effective mobile device forensics. For iOS devices, the architecture revolves around a closed ecosystem controlled by Apple. The devices utilize the iOS operating system and have specific hardware components designed to ensure security and privacy. On the other hand, Android devices follow a more open architecture. They run on the Android operating system, which is based on the Linux kernel. Android devices come in various makes and models, with different hardware configurations and versions of the operating system. Next, let's explore the process of extracting data from mobile devices. An investigator demonstrating data extraction from mobile devices. Extracting data from mobile devices is a critical step in mobile device forensics. Various techniques and tools are used to acquire data, such as 1. Logical extraction. This involves extracting data from the user-accessible areas of the device, such as contacts, messages, call logs, and application data. Logical extraction is non-intrusive and does not require specialized tools. 2. Physical extraction. Physical extraction goes deeper, accessing the raw data stored on the device's memory. It provides a more comprehensive collection of data, including deleted or hidden information. Physical extraction typically requires specialized forensic tools and techniques. 3. Cloud-based extraction. With the increasing use of cloud services, mobile devices often store data on remote servers. Cloud-based extraction involves retrieving data from cloud storage accounts linked to the mobile device, such as iCloud for iOS or Google Drive for Android. Lastly, let's discuss the analysis of mobile device artifacts. Mobile devices leave behind a wealth of artifacts that can provide valuable evidence in investigations. These artifacts include 1. Call logs. Call history records provide details about incoming and outgoing calls, including timestamps, duration, and contact information. 2. Text messages. Analyzing SMS and MMS messages can reveal conversations, attachments, and timestamps, shedding light on communication patterns and relevant discussions. 3. Application data. Many mobile applications store data locally, such as emails, social media messages, and browsing history. Analyzing this data can provide insights into the user's activities and interactions. Mobile device forensics is a specialized field that requires a deep understanding of mobile device architecture, data extraction techniques, and analysis of mobile device artifacts. This tutorial has provided an overview of these concepts, giving you a foundation to explore further in this exciting area of digital forensics. In the next tutorial, we will dive into advanced techniques for mobile device forensics, including bypassing device security measures and analyzing encrypted data. Thank you for watching. Click on the link below to test your understanding of this module.